pagi. Selamat pagi. A lot of fish today. How much you got? 700. Oh, that's good. So this goes to Wayan? No. Where you gonna bring them? To Wayan. That's good. I haven't got to Liberty. There are some typhoons passing by, so that's why pretty wavy. The waves are like a kind of, it becomes more calm at the moment. In Liberty there was not so big waves, but still visibility was actually kind of okay. Especially you feel it when you're filming, and if there is these small particles in the water, even it seems it's not that good visibility. On a video it still looks really good. So yep, did 2 dives, 1 coral garden, 1 Liberty wreck. Got some problems with the equalization, otherwise okay. I got cold because that 2 hours what I spent on the summit of Agong did its job. So like a little bit blocked my nose, was a little bit like not too bad, just simply it absolutely didn't bother me during the dive. I've been diving with completely blocked nose and sinuses. All you have to do is just before the dive, just rinse it a couple of times and then you go down. If it becomes blocked during the dive, let the water come into the mask. Again, sneeze in, get it out, and then you can equalize again. Like a life hack from someone who cannot just skip diving because not able to equalize. There have been a time when we cannot skip any single day, even we are sick. We've been always diving, and definitely all these blocked sinuses is not the problem as long as you know how to clear them out during the dive. As I understood, everyone had a fish today. Sonny's family got 1,400 fishes, but since everyone had the fishes, so then the price dropped down. Usually it's 3,000 per fish. Today 2,500 rupiah per fish. And another thing is that when you're taking this fish out of the nets, you have to be pretty quick. If the fish is moving and damaging the skin, no one is buying them. So it's already damaged fish and you can just take it for yourself. Like today there was a big sack of the fish which they were not able to sell. There was about, I don't know, around 10 kilos of fish they gonna eat themselves. It's like on one side you have a lot of fish and you have a big hope that you will have a lot of money. If you would be only one who got this fish, then you can sell it expensive. If all the beach have, if all the fishermen have fishes, the price is pretty low. All right, thank you very much for watching today again. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.